What's up guys, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make some sour cream and oven roasted garlic mashed potatoes with chives. First step, cut your potatoes. Chop ya.
Just a little bit, the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed. Give a little bit of loving.
Alright guys, next you're gonna bring the potatoes to a boil. You're gonna salt the water, and I'll get you.
Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed.
Alright guys, next, once your potatoes are done, you're going to strain them out of the salted water. You're going to mash them with a fork to make sure that they're coming apart, not too hard, not too soft. And just let them cool here for a couple minutes and then transfer them to a kitchen mixer bowl.
That brings me to my knees.
Potato ricer, that works too. Just leave them here for a couple minutes.
That's something.
And also what you're going to do, you're going to take the garlic, you're going to take the skin off, you're going to take some chives, you're going to drizzle a little olive oil over it in aluminum foil, and you're going to roast them in the oven for a good bit. And that'll get you.
Alright guys, next step, give those potatoes a good whipping. Gonna whip ya.
Give a little bit of loving, just a little bit, the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece.
What's up guys, I'm making some garlic oven roasted mashed potatoes with sour cream and chives. I'll get ya.
You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed.